y'all doing today? I'm doing fine. Anyway, Mr. Robert Sanders in the hole. Today I'm fixing the first time I ever fixed some barbecue turkey wing and a crock pot. And I tell y'all, I'm gonna be the king pretty soon on crock pot. Ooh, yes sir. Now, I'm gonna get to the nitty gritty here. I'm gonna show y'all I got a lot of seasoning I gotta put in there. Onion, bell pepper, oil, barbecue sauce. I'm cooking into barbecue sauce, y'all. That's right, that's what I say. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. So, let's get to it. Let's go put the onion in first. I usually put the onion in the bottom, but I kind of don't forget about it. The bell pepper. That's what I'm ready to do right now, okay? Oh yeah, put that bell pepper, all that in there. All that good flavor, see? See that good flavor going in there? Now, next, I'm gonna put my meat tenderizer on there, okay? Oh yeah. Put them in there. You ain't gonna hurt them. Okay, next, I'm gonna put my onion powder in there. Onion. Anyway, Jordan, how you doing today?
Good.
Doing all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Oh, I forget again, y'all. Put my oil in there. Let the season stick. Jordan, how you let me forget that? Put oil in there, huh?
Huh?
How you let me forget put oil in there, man?
I'll put what?
Oil. You don't even forget, man.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I didn't see that coming.
Oh, okay then. Put a little pepper, y'all. Pepper. This is gonna be some good barbecue. And all right. I'm gonna black pepper in here. Okay. All right. What next is complete seasoning. Not yet, Jordan. All right. Screw me, y'all. Hand me that. I apologize, y'all. He want me to open up this, okay? All right. There you go. Go play. Bye.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm putting this complete season, okay? Oh, that my boy. I love him to death, y'all. Oh, I love him to death. Anyway, let's put that in there. Now, what I'm about ready to do is give me some gloves. Because I'm about ready to do some surgery here. Not surgery, but you know what I mean. Prep. Called a prep. Prep the meat. Yeah, I'm going to prep this meat all right. Anyway. But, I ain't talking too much, y'all. And, good old turkey wing, man. I tell you what, I love cooking. Oh, I love cooking. Anyway. Let's do this thing. I gotta get the glove right. Doggone. Glove fighting me. Now, let me go ahead and stir them up in here, okay? Yeah, see? See, that's what you do. That's how you do it. And just like that. Make sure you get all the meat, man. All the meat seasoned. Look at that. Huh? Doesn't that look good? I know. Be raw though. I can't eat them raw. I could put a little more seasoning there, but right now let me see here. Yeah. Excuse me, y'all. Yep. Now, it could get some pepper on there. Sorry about that stutter. But put a little pepper, a little more pepper in there, okay? All right.
Fight!
What are you doing, Jordan? Fighting yourself? Put a little more
the
seasoning in there.
fighting.
A little more seasoning. Okay, I know. I see you fighting. All right. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a little paprika in there. How's that? I changed my mind. Let's put a little paprika in there. Okay, paprika. Let's put that in there. This is color.
Paprika.
Yeah. All right. Go again, Bubba. Let's give the color. That's all I'm doing. And oh, this is gonna be some good turkey right here. Yeah. Yeah. See, you rub it like that. Or you order massage your meat always. Okay, where you cooking on the grill or crock pot, oven, glass dish, anywhere you want to put them at. Just rub it. Use your season. That's all. Anything you want in the house. I hope y'all like this video. Thumbs up and everything, but you know. Right. Yeah, that looks good. See there? Just rub it like that, see? I think I'm gonna make a next video sooner or later. How to cut things up a little, whatever. But anyway, I'm having fun doing it. You gotta have fun doing it. Okay, now I'm about ready to do now is take the strap off. Okay. And put that in there. Now, what I'm ready to do is move this bad boy out the way, because I'm going to mix things up. Just going right over here. Okay? Now, got a bowl right here. So put all this right here to here. Okay? All right. Now, what I'm about ready to do is put a little oil in there too also. I gotta have putting the oil and everything. Anyway, just basically all I'm doing is putting this barbecue sauce in there. That's all I'm doing really. I mean, don't matter. Okay? And brown sugar. Probably a little honey. Put a little honey in there. Put a little honey. Okay? Alright. Now, this, I'm about ready to put a little tablespoon of brown sugar. Brown sugar. I see brown sugar going in there, okay? It's a little lump in there. Gotta crunch them up. So, yeah, hey, so I'm doing. Put a little brown sugar in there. It won't hurt nothing. I give it a little sweetness. Sweetness, bye. That's it. And you gotta put no more. Put no more of that. Okay? Now, next, just put this barbecue sauce. Right now, I'm putting the original part of it. Yeah, put a whole ball in there. It won't hurt nothing. Woo, look at that. All that going in there. Yes, sir. Yep. Now you open another board up. Okay. Okay. You're putting sweet onion. What kind of flavor? Ah, yeah.
Oh.
That boy can make me have a nerve wreck in this place. He really is. Try to get every drop, y'all. Squeeze them. All right. Now, what next is honey. Honey will go a little sweetness to it. And make the flavor look, I mean, taste good and everything. Okay? So, put a little spoon in there. There you go. That's all you need. Let's put a little bit more in there. That's it. That'll do the trick. Okay? That'll do the trick. Put that in there. Honey. All right. Now, what I'm ready to do is wash my hand. Dry my hand off. and get my wish list. Start stirring up. Gotta mix them up together. Oh yeah, mix them up, see? Gotta mix them. I hope y'all see that. Huh? Stuff.
Is that black?
Mm-hmm. No,
I have
that's your
it.
barbecue. That's your barbecue thing.
Barbecue?
Sauce, yeah. They go inside, they go on top of your turkey wing and the crock pot.
Ew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, ain't no you.
No, I didn't say ew.
Yeah, whatever.
Ew. It means.
What I'm ready to do now is put a little bit of water inside the barbecue thing. Put a little water in there. Not much. Mix them up a little. Because you wanna be nice to have a cook. Okay? You ought to put that can down before you fall.
Hey.
Okay. Now. There you go. Yeah. You're whooping there, man. Look at that. Huh?
Oh.
Don't put no more liquid in now. Just let it. It'll cook. Because the turkey wings do have a little water in them. So, alright.
Whoa, that's much black.
Alright, just put this over here. And my rag. Wipe this down a little.
That's dark brown.
Okay, now I'm bringing the turkey wing back. Bring that back. Take a paper towel, y'all, and wipe.
Okay.
You don't want to be dirty in here like that, see? It's all about not the season, really. That's all it is. You know? Yeah. So, I'm going to put them on high. And I'm going to cook this thing about, cook them real good. It'll be like, maybe 5 hours. Might be about 5 hours. Okay? And probably in 3 I'll check it, but I'll show y'all just how it look right now. Okay? Now, you take the barbecue sauce and pour more in there. See that? Look at that. Look at that. See that? Pour that in there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, see? See that? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Huh? Down there. Make sure you get in there. Yep. That look good in y'all. That look good? I know you look good. Okay. Now, wash the spoon out. Dip that spoon. Make sure you got everything covered. Because you want to cook right. Like I said, this is my first time. It's my first time cooking barbecue turkey wing. Jordan, move on the camera.
Okay.
Sorry about that, y'all. Again. But anyway, he's a little cute child, boy. Bad? No, he's not bad. He just wow. No, he ain't wow. Anyway, please, y'all give me a thumbs up on my turkey wing. I'm showing y'all how to make a barbecue turkey wing inside a crock pot. Okay, so it'll be cooking from like 4 or 5 hours. Give or take. I said 5 hours, the max. Okay, and And I'll get back with y'all to show y'all the finish. Okay? Now, y'all have a good day. Blessed day. Enjoy your Sunday. Take your feet off. That means take your no feet off. Take your shoes off and relax and watch TV. Just relax. And thank God you live to see this day. Okay? So, y'all, if y'all like the video, let me know. But right now, peace out, and I love y'all. Sanders, and I'm back.
In the hose?
There you go. Say it again.
In the hose?
That's right. My grandson say, Robert Sanders cooking in the hose.
That's
Nah.
loud.
Now, remember I tell y'all earlier about the barbecue. Okay, about this barbecue turkey wing. You know? Right now, it's done. So, it been that time I tell y'all, like 6 hours. Okay, now, look at that. That is one beautiful thing. That's barbecue. You see that? You see how I see that? Look at that. That's barbecue. Let me zoom up for y'all. Let y'all look at it. Look at that.
Hose?
Look at that. That is beautiful. That's one beautiful barbecue turkey wing. Now, let me back them up a little. What I'm going to do right now is put one in the bowl. Okay?
Uh-huh. I'll wait for
You
you.
hold them?
Yeah.
Hold them up then. Oh, hold it. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, yeah. See that? Look at that. And I'm going to get one of the wing
Look
tips.
at this.
And something?
Uh-huh. It looks like a swamp.
Yeah. Me and him will share this together, okay? It's hot. Back off a minute. Hey, it burned them, y'all. It burned them. Now I'm putting a tip in there. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Look at that. That's lovely. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at this, man. That's pretty. You can't look at the glaze. Look, the glaze of it. All that right there, the barbecue sauce
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
and the brown sugar, honey, and the seasoning I put in there, and all that. Look at us, man. You know what? I tell you what. Let me get a fork and let me try a little piece. 'Cause man, I gotta try a little piece here. Man. Oh, look at this. See ya? Look at this. Look at that. That's something. I might go front of the camera, show y'all.
What is it?
What delicious. What a delicious. I know y'all like that. Look at that. Huh? Man. Try another little piece. Okay? Try another little piece. Look at this. Huh? Look at this. Y'all see this?
Don't eat it.
Yeah. Now, I hope y'all enjoy this. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Can y'all give me a thumbs up?
Sorry.
Y'all please give me a thumbs up for this nice, delicious barbecue turkey wing. Look at this.
And push subscribe.
There you go. Press the subscribe button. You might say it again, Jordan.
Push and subscribe.
There you go. So I hope y'all enjoy it.